Now whilst Microsoft did a reasonable job with the hardware on the Surface Pro tablet, Windows 8 felt rushed and faced some scathing criticism upon release. So what's going to change with the free 8.1 upgrade which drops in October? Here we take a look at 5 of the key user-face upgrades. First off, power users can rejoice, as they'll be able to boot directly into desktop mode. This allows them to bypass the live tiles and get cracking with legacy apps. Next up is the return of the much-loved Start button, although not quite in the form that we're used to. A left click simply switches users between desktop and start screen modes, and it appears that the program list is gone for good. However, a right click will afford a tad more functionality by providing shortcuts to much used features like Control Panel and Task Manager. Those who like the start screen interface will be pleased to know that there are more options when it comes to controlling the device. It's easier to group apps together, and there's more choice when it comes to resizing individual live tiles. Multitasking is significantly improved as well. It's possible to choose exactly how much screen space you want concurrent apps to use without being restricted to the 70-30 split that you had in the original OS. Finally, another core feature that has been reintroduced is Unified Search. By default, Windows 8.1 searches everything on your PC, and it even searches the internet using Microsoft's Bing engine. Results are integrated well into the touchscreen, and it makes it so much more easier to find things compared to Windows 8, which had the feature rather bafflingly set to searching your apps by default. Overall then, Windows 8.1 is a great step in the right direction, but it's still not quite enough for us to recommend the Surface Pro tablet. The £720 asking price is far too high, and you'd be far better off looking at something like the Dell Latitude 10 or HP ElitePad.